Trex composite decking versus wood decking. Which is better? If you're planning to build a new deck, one of the biggest decisions you'll make is choosing between traditional wood decking and Trex composite decking. While wood has been the go-to decking material for decades, composite decking has become increasingly popular because of its durability and low maintenance requirements. In this video, we'll compare Trex composite decking and wood decking side by side, looking at cost, maintenance, durability, appearance, and long-term value to help you decide which option is right for your home. Let's get started. 1. Initial cost. The first thing most homeowners consider is cost. Wood decking generally has a lower upfront cost. Pressure-treated lumber is usually the most affordable option, making it attractive for budget-conscious projects. Trex decking, on the other hand, requires a higher initial investment. The materials cost more than standard pressure-treated wood. However, it's important to look beyond the installation price and consider the long-term ownership costs. 2. Maintenance requirements. This is where Trex really stands out. Wood decks require regular maintenance, including staining, sealing, sanding, and repairs to protect against moisture and weather damage. Depending on your climate, you may need to perform maintenance every 1 to 3 years. Trex composite decking requires very little maintenance. There's no need for staining, painting, or sealing. Typically, a simple cleaning with soap and water is enough to keep the deck looking great. For homeowners who want to spend more time enjoying their deck and less time maintaining it, Trex has a significant advantage. 3. Durability and longevity. When it comes to durability, Trex composite decking is designed to resist many of the problems associated with wood. Wood decks can crack, splinter, warp, and rot over time due to exposure to moisture, sunlight, and changing temperatures. Trex decking resists fading, staining, scratching, and moisture damage much better than traditional wood. It won't splinter, making it a safer option for families with children and pets. Many Trex products also come with lengthy manufacturer warranties, providing additional peace of mind. 4. Appearance. Wood offers a natural beauty that many homeowners love. Each board has unique grain patterns and character, creating a classic, authentic look. However, maintaining that appearance requires ongoing care. Trex decking is manufactured to mimic the look of natural wood while offering more consistent color and texture. Today's Trex products are available in a variety of colors and realistic wood grain finishes, making it difficult for many people to tell the difference at first glance. Choosing between the two often comes down to personal preference. 5. Environmental impact. Trex has a strong reputation for sustainability. Many Trex decking products are made from recycled materials, including reclaimed wood fibers and recycled plastic. This helps reduce waste and conserve natural resources. Wood is a renewable resource, but harvesting lumber still impacts forests and ecosystems. If environmental responsibility is important to you, Trex may be the more eco-friendly choice. 6. Long-term value. While wood may cost less initially, maintenance expenses can add up over the years. Stains, sealers, repairs, and board replacements can significantly increase the total cost of ownership. Trex decking's higher upfront cost is often offset by lower maintenance costs and longer-lasting performance. For many homeowners, the long-term value makes composite decking a worthwhile investment. Final verdict. So which is better, Trex composite decking or wood decking? Choose wood decking if you prefer a traditional, natural appearance. You have a limited budget. You don't mind regular maintenance. Choose Trex composite decking if you want low maintenance. You value long-term durability. You want a deck that resists fading, staining, and splintering. You're looking for better long-term value. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your budget, lifestyle, and maintenance preferences. What is Trex decking? Trex decking is a high-performance composite decking material made from a blend of recycled wood fibers and recycled plastic. This innovative combination creates a durable, attractive decking surface that looks like natural wood, but requires far less maintenance. Unlike traditional wood decks, Trex won't rot, splinter, or attract termites. It's designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, while maintaining its beauty for decades. Benefits of Trex decking. One of the biggest advantages of Trex decking is its low maintenance requirements. There's no need for annual staining, sealing, or painting. Simply clean the deck periodically with soap and water. Trex decking is also resistant to fading, staining, mold, and moisture damage. This means your deck will continue looking great year after year with minimal effort. Additionally, Trex products are environmentally friendly, utilizing millions of pounds of recycled materials each year. The installation process. The installation process begins with careful planning and design. Contractors first prepare the site and install concrete footings that support the deck structure. Next, pressure-treated posts, beams, and joists are installed to create a strong foundation. Proper joist spacing is critical to ensure the deck performs according to manufacturer specifications. Once the framing is complete, Trex decking boards are installed using hidden fastening systems. These fasteners create a clean, screw-free appearance while securely holding each board in place. Finally, fascia boards, railings, stairs, and finishing details are added to complete the project. Maintenance and care. Maintaining a Trex deck is simple. Regular cleaning with mild soap and water helps remove dirt and debris. Keeping leaves and standing water off the deck can further extend its appearance and performance. Unlike traditional wood, there's no sanding, staining, or sealing required, saving homeowners both time and money. Why choose Trex? Trex decking combines beauty, durability, and convenience into one complete outdoor living solution. Whether you're building a small backyard retreat or a large entertainment space, Trex offers a long-lasting, low-maintenance alternative to traditional wood decking. With a variety of colors, styles, and railing options available, homeowners can create a custom outdoor space designed to fit their lifestyle. Trex Enhanced Basics. Trex Enhanced Basics is the entry-level Trex decking product. It is designed for homeowners who want the benefits of composite decking at the lowest possible cost. Think of Enhanced Basics as the economy model in the Trex lineup. Available colors: clamshell, light gray, beach dune, tan. These colors have a more uniform appearance compared to higher-end Trex products. Construction: Enhanced Basics consists of composite core, made from recycled wood fibers, recycled plastic film, protective shell. The outer shell protects against moisture, mold, mildew, staining. The shell is thinner than premium Trex lines. Advantages: affordable, lowest price Trex board, low maintenance, no staining, sealing, painting, insect resistant, won't attract, termites, carpenter ants, rot resistant, unlike pressure treated wood. Disadvantages: limited color selection, only a few color options, less realistic appearance, wood grain is less pronounced, lower scratch resistance, more susceptible to furniture scratches, pet damage. Ideal customer: budget-conscious homeowner, rental property owner, small deck projects. Trex Enhanced Naturals. Enhanced Naturals is a major step up in appearance while remaining affordable. This is often considered the best value in the Trex lineup. Available colors: Rocky Harbor, Toasted Sand, Foggy Wharf, Coastal Bluff, Natural Almond. These colors feature multi-tonal streaking. Appearance: more realistic wood appearance. Boards contain color variation, deeper texture, natural wood grain pattern. When viewed from a distance, they resemble stained hardwood. Durability: better than basics because improved shell technology, better UV resistance, better scratch resistance. Warranty: 25-year residential warranty. Ideal customer: most homeowners. This is the product many contractors recommend because it balances cost, appearance, durability. Trex Select. Trex Select enters the premium category. The focus shifts from affordability to performance. Appearance: Select has rich wood grain texture, more natural color transitions, cleaner board appearance. Colors include pebble gray, saddle, Winchester gray. Surface technology: Trex Select uses a stronger outer shell. Benefits: better scratch resistance. Resists patio furniture, dog nails, heavy foot traffic, better stain resistance, protects against barbecue grease, wine spills, food stains. Structural strength. Boards feel more rigid, more substantial, less flexing during installation. Warranty. 35-year residential warranty. Ideal customer. Homeowners who entertain frequently, have children, have pets, want longer warranty protection. Trex Transcend. Trex Transcend is Trex's flagship product and the most commonly installed premium board. Many homeowners consider it the sweet spot between luxury and value. Appearance. This is where Trex begins to closely mimic exotic hardwoods. Colors include Havana Gold, Tiki Torch, Spiced Rum, Island Mist, Rope Swing. These boards feature rich color variation, deep wood grain, multi-dimensional appearance, premium shell technology. Trex Transcend has one of the thickest protective shells in the lineup. Benefits: exceptional fade resistance, maintains color for decades, superior stain resistance, handles, grease, wine, ketchup, sunscreen, moisture protection, excellent performance in rain, snow, coastal environments. Heat performance, still warms up in sunlight. However, lighter colors remain significantly cooler than darker colors. Warranty, 50-year residential warranty. One of the strongest warranties in the industry. Ideal customer, luxury homes, outdoor kitchens, pool decks, waterfront properties, large entertainment areas. Trex Signature. Trex Signature is Trex's most premium decking system. It is designed to compete with IPE, mahogany, teak, high-end PVC decking. Appearance. Most realistic wood appearance Trex offers. Features: deepest grain patterns, sophisticated color blending, luxury finish. Many homeowners mistake it for real hardwood. Performance. Highest performance board Trex manufactures. Superior scratch resistance, handles, furniture, high traffic, commercial use. Superior moisture resistance. Excellent for coastal homes, pool environments, wet climates. Premium stability, minimal expansion and contraction. Warranty, 50-year residential warranty, 50-year fade and stain warranty. Ideal customer, custom luxury homes, waterfront estates, resort-style outdoor living, high-end commercial projects. Quick contractor recommendation, budget project, enhanced basics, best value, enhanced naturals. Most popular upgrade, select, best overall choice, Transcend, no compromise luxury, Signature. If you're considering a new deck and want professional advice on choosing the right material for your home, call us today at 703-980-3266 or book your free virtual consultation in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us which decking material you prefer, Trex or wood. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.